Hey there, fellow science enthusiasts. Today we're diving into one of the most fascinating topics in the universe, the speed of light, and why nothing can outrun it. Buckle up, because this is going to be a mind-bending ride. Imagine you're on the greatest journey in human history. A spaceship built with the most advanced technology, pushing forward at unimaginable speeds. The goal? To reach the ultimate frontier, the speed of light. Faster and faster you go, your engines roaring, the universe stretching ahead of you like an endless highway. But then, something strange happens. The faster you go, the harder it becomes to go any faster. You feel heavier, your ship resists. And then you realize the universe has a speed limit. No matter how much power you unleash, you can never break through. But why? What makes the speed of light so special? And what would happen if we could somehow cross that barrier? On Earth, speed feels simple. You press the gas pedal and your car moves. You add more fuel and a jet flies faster. But in space, the rules are different. There is an ultimate speed limit built into the very fabric of reality, about 300,000 kilometers per second. That's how fast light moves, and according to the laws of physics, nothing with mass can ever match it. Why? Because speed isn't just about moving through space, it's about how space and time themselves react to motion. Let's say you keep accelerating. At first, everything feels normal. Your ship moves faster and faster, and you think, maybe I can reach light speed. But then, something strange happens. Your ship feels heavier. No, not like adding cargo, this is different. It's as if the universe itself is pushing back against your motion. The closer you get to light speed, the more resistance you feel. It takes more and more energy just to make the tiniest increase in speed. And this is where things get weird. You might think, fine, I'll just add more power, more fuel, bigger engines, stronger boosters. But here's the problem. As you approach the speed of light, the energy you add doesn't make you much faster anymore. Instead, it makes you heavier. Your mass increases. And the closer you get to the speed of light, the harder it becomes to move forward. At 90% of light speed, it takes more energy than humanity has ever produced just to gain a little more speed. At 99%, it takes the energy of entire planets. And at 100%, you'd need infinite energy. And infinite energy, as far as we know, doesn't exist. But speed isn't the only thing affected. Something even more bizarre happens. Time itself changes. If someone were watching you from Earth, they would see you moving in slow motion. Your movements, your thoughts, even your heartbeat, all slowing down. The faster you go, the slower time becomes. And if you somehow reached light speed, time would stop. Think about that for a moment. You would freeze in time from the perspective of the outside world, and you wouldn't feel it at all. To you, everything would seem normal. You'd be moving forward, but to the rest of the universe, you'd be trapped in a single moment forever. But wait, light does move at light speed, so why doesn't it experience these problems? The answer is simple. Light has no mass. It doesn't get heavier when it moves because it has no weight to begin with. That's why it can travel at this ultimate speed without resistance. But for everything else, ships, planets, even people, the universe has a strict rule. If you have mass, you must stay below the speed of light. Now, some scientists wonder, could there be a way around this? Maybe wormholes, bending space instead of moving through it. Maybe something like warp drives, inspired by science fiction but grounded in real physics. Or perhaps there's something about the laws of the universe we don't fully understand yet. Because if we could break this limit, we wouldn't just be traveling fast, we'd be unlocking a new reality, one where time itself bends to our will. One where distance no longer matters, one where the entire universe is within our reach. So what if we could one day outrun light? Would we become gods, bending time and space? Would we rewrite the laws of physics? Or would we unlock something even stranger, something we can't even imagine yet? For now, the speed of light remains an unbreakable frontier. It is the ultimate barrier, the cosmic finish line we can never cross. But perhaps one day we will discover a loophole, a secret hidden in the universe, waiting for us to find it. Until then, we remain the slow travelers of the cosmos, forever chasing the light but never quite catching it. The speed of light isn't just a number, it's a law of nature, a boundary we may never break. But if history has taught us anything, It's that humanity never stops trying. What if we could go faster than light? Let's keep searching for the answer.